What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny, Birdy, Gator. Okay, for all my dog and cat lovers, this is for you. We're gonna start off here in the pet section. I know it's not a section we always look at, but I have found some new items. These are 100% natural deli stick turkey for dogs, no nitrates, no MSG. These are super cute. They're just little individual sticks. And the display is really adorable. So cute. It says made in the USA from American farms. These are also here. You guys, I discovered these last week, but these are really sturdy. The pet wear large and medium collars for dogs. We have them in two colors. We have them in pink and in orange. And we also have a bunch of cute little toys over here. Tacos, pizzas, burgers. Look at this one. Yum. Oh, it's an ice cream sandwich. So cute. We have donuts. We have hot dogs. We have nail clippers. Ooh. Squeaky, sort of hollow dog bone. I really like the spikes. Ooh, look at this one. I've never seen this one before. It's like a spiky donut. And then we have all of the super lightweight plushy toys that have the little squeakers in them. If your dog isn't a chewer, then these would be perfect for your dog. Now these have filling in them. We have a monkey, a bear, a super cute little animal print bear. These feel pretty nice. These ones just kind of are empty. Panda. We have a little tiger up there, maybe a fox. These little fast tracks for cats. Let's grab one that's down here. So it's just one of these little things. Just sit it on the ground and let them chase it around. And then we also have it in pink and purple. Ooh, 50-cent Purina Kitten Caboodle. I think the lowest price Walmart carries these for is 38 cents. What else do we have? The little cat balls. We have the little cat toy jingle bells. We have 9 Lives, Meow Mix, a whole bag of catnip. The brushes. Oh my gosh, my cats love those. They adore those. They really love them. They're kind of addicted now though. Ooh, these are really sturdy and nice. Like super sturdy. Wow, I wonder if it bounces. Let's see. Does it bounce? Not really. This would be a good ball to throw, but it's not really a bouncy ball. I love the ropes. I love the sort of nautical knot tying look. Like I hate to get knots out, but I just love the different ways people tie knots in sort of a nautical way. I always thought that was so pretty. We have canned Purina dog food, Dental Life, Gravy Train, Wavy Bacon, Healthy Max hip and joint treats. We also have skin and coat treats, sausages, Alpo T-bones. We have some peanut flavored mini bones, bacon, fun size bagans, canine carry out chew bones, shin bone chews, the little sticks. We have the little metal pet bowls, the stainless. And then tons of collars, all different colors. and leashes and dog harnesses. In my opinion, I would think that some of those harnesses and collars and leashes would be good for really small little dogs. We even have more over here on the end cap. We have jerky strips, steak bones, the little filled bones. Ooh, let's go down this aisle, you guys. We have sand. Ooh, look at the purple sand. So pretty. Purple sand. I like that. We have green sand, red sand, and this sort of tan sand. Doesn't quite look like natural sand, but close. We have white sand. Maybe you want to make your own Zen garden. And if you do, look at these big bags of Zen garden rocks. Look at these, 32 ounces. We also have these. We have nautical rope, Spanish moss, lots of ribbon, burlap, the cute little vine balls, pine cones, pumpkin scented pine cones for fall. The mini hay bales are here also for fall. If you want to have a little, just a little something maybe on your desk for fall. Just a little tiny something. I think these are new. Little garden flags. Our farmhouse. We have LED filament energy saving decor bulbs. I've never seen those here before. I think some of these might be new. These little magnets. Again, I'm on my tiptoes. It's so quiet in here, isn't it, you guys? So quiet. The little animal planters. You guys have probably seen these before, but they are back. Fly swatters. Get your fly swatter for August. You know you're gonna need it. I think these are new too. Type and wipe. No, wipe and type. Screen cloths. We also have the big 25 pack. Perfect for electronics, safe on screens. And the casemate cases are here if you have an XS Max. Mine have been here for months. Yeah, you guys, I think that's it for me here in Dollar Tree on this aisle. I'm gonna head over to the food aisles and see if I can find any new snacks for you guys or any other new things that I think you guys would want to see. So definitely hit that like button. Please show YouTube and the algorithm that you're interested in this sort of content and that you enjoyed hanging out with me. It would really, really help me out and help the channel out. I mean, I create these videos to help you guys save money. So if you guys like helping others as well, definitely share the video and like the video so more people can see this content and also save money. But all right, you guys, thanks for joining me and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.